Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum and good morning to all. I hope everyone is doing fine at home and you have had your breakfast for today. Okay, so for today we are going to do lesson 50. Our topic is buy and sell. Theme consumerism and financial awareness. We are still on this theme for this week. Okay, so for today we are going to do writing activity. So I choose to write email. I hope you still remember on how to write an email. Before we go further, I would like to tell you to explain again on how to write an email. Okay, first in email we have these two. It means the receiver, KCT. So you see here, hi CT. So this email is written for CT. And then we have from Darren. So we know that this email is written by Darren. Okay, next one, we need a subject. Okay, so the subject for this email is my first day of work at the library. So Darren, this email is written by Darren. Email is written by Darren to Siti, and he is sharing his experience of first day of work with Siti. Okay, good. Now when you write your email, you will have this we call salutation. Okay, salutation, it can be hi Siti or dear Siti. In class, I usually ask you to do dear and your friend's name. Okay, that's the simplest one. Okay, dear Siti, you have your salutation, and then you have this paragraph, introduction paragraph. Okay, in introduction, usually I will tell you to write how are you, and then I hope you are fine, and then you tell why you write. I am writing this email because, and then you tell your reason, right? Okay, for this one, let's see. In his introduction, Monday was my first day of working at the library in my neighborhood. Okay, so you can see that this sentence tells you that he wants to tell a story or experience of him working at the library. So we know that already. Okay, and that is this one. I'm writing this email, so he is telling the reason he writes the email. Okay, and then we go to the body paragraph. We have this we call body paragraph. So in this body paragraph, you tell the person or your friend, or in this case Siti, Darren tells Siti what happened on the first day of his work. Okay, there, and then usually I will ask you to have another paragraph, closure. Closure. Okay, closure. For closure, I think it will be here, from here to here. Okay, so closure, you just recap or conclude what the topic or the main issues, event happening in your closure, and then you bid goodbye. That's all. Okay, for this one, let's read together. I hope you remember, and then we will do the email together later. Okay, first let's read the email from Darren first. To city@happymail.com, from Darren at happymail.com. Okay, so when email, you have to have this at happymail.com, or we usually do at gmail.com, at yahoomail.com. Okay, that all I accept. Okay, then subject, my first day of work at the library. Hi Siti, Monday was my first day of working at the library in my neighborhood. My school bus came late, which meant I arrived late at the library. Fortunately, my supervisor was understanding. He said things like this happen all the time. He gave me a tour of the library and showed me to my desk. I was happy to see my desk placed near the window with a beautiful view of the garden outside. Soon afterwards, I started sorting all the new books that arrived at the library. I did it based on the genres. It was a lot of fun because you know I love to read. I finished the task by the end of the day. My supervisor said I did good work and I walked home happily. By Darren. Okay, so that is the story of Darren. Now let's go to B. Based on the email above, imagine that you are Siti and write a reply to Darren. Okay, so basically you have to write a reply to Darren. When you are writing an email, you have to find main points. Usually I ask you to give 3 points. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the first one, maybe you can you give support to her. Give support to her and tell her you know she loves her job, and then maybe congratulate her. Okay, that is that. You have 3 main points. This is only the suggestion, but if you have any other idea, you can use your own idea. Okay, but for today, I don't want to trouble you, so I've provided you the answer. Okay, this is the answer. This is the email written by Siti. Okay, let's read first. You are given an email written by Siti. Please copy the email and fill in the blanks. So this is the reply email from Siti. What you have to do is, there is blank here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 blanks that you have to fill in. I provided the list of answer also, so you read and then fill in the blank with the given answer. Okay, let's read the answer. The email from Siti first. Dear Darren, your supervisor is very blank and he is blank. Sometimes we can't help it when things don't go our way. It really wasn't your fault you arrived blank at the library. I'm blank that you got the desk by the window. It sounds blank. Yes, I know you blank to read, and I must say that this job suits you blank. I'm sure you did blank work and that you will continue to do so. I hope your days working at the library will get blank and blank. By Siti. Okay, there you have that. Let's go see the answer. Right, well, lovely, late, better, kind, better, great, love, happy. Okay, first, if you don't know this the meaning of the word, so the first thing you have to do is go to the Google and then search for the meaning of this word. If you don't understand or if you don't know the meaning of the words, if you know, you can go straight filling in the blanks. Okay, so I guess that is all for today. I hope you understand. If you do not understand, you can PM me, you can ask me. I'm here to help you. Okay, class? That's all. Good luck. Thank you, class.